So this is how you can turn on your AirPods Max manually, right? So as you may know, the AirPods Max do not have any kind of power button, or you don't really have like a switch to enable them. The way that it kind of works is that you can take them out of the smart case, and this will initiate the connection. The AirPods know that they are taken out of the case and are supposed to be paired and connected to some device. But if you want to get it to some kind of manual activation, what you can do is you can hold down on the longer button on the ear cup right there. So you have the digital crown, which you rotate for volume control, but you also have the other one where you press it to switch to a different mode. But if you hold down on it, your devices should recognize that again, right? So this is how you can just manually push it a bit forward to just be connected and turn on, right? So that's kind of useful to know about as well. And you also need to pay attention to the LED light at the bottom, because if you hold down on it for long enough, the light will switch from the orange or green into the white color. And this essentially means that your AirPods are in the pairing mode. And when the white light is blinking, it will essentially try to set up the AirPods as a brand new device with whichever iPhone, iPad, or device is nearby. So this is kind of how it works. Also ensure that they are charged before doing all of that, right? So this is also very useful to know about. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely check out some other tutorials about the AirPods Max on this channel. I try to cover them extensively, so it's very likely that you will see some useful content and more information in here on this channel. So you can subscribe and we can see each other in the future too.